Hi, today I will show you how to check read and write speed of SSD. First, open the search bar, then type CMD. Right-click the command prompt, and click Run as administrator. In command prompt, type winsat, space, disk, space. Dash drive, space, C, or any drive in your PC you want to check. Now press Enter, the command will perform read and write operations. So here the sequential write and read speed of your SSD. And that's how you can check the speed of your SSD only with one command. Hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tech videos. Thanks for watching.